Hello my fellow weirdos! Today we're making candy cane bath salts. These are excellent gifts for a friend or a loved one, or you can make it for yourself. I'm not judging. To begin, we're going to need 2 mixing bowls. We're then going to put in 1 cup of Epsom salt into each bowl. Next, you can color one of them with red natural food dye. I don't have that, so I'm just going to keep them all plain white. Next, we're going to mix in a half a tablespoon of baking soda and 2 drops of doTERRA peppermint essential oil into each bowl. Stir to combine. Then, if you have red and white, you're going to alternate between the two in filling up your container so it has a candy cane appearance. If you're like me and didn't color one, you can just pour them all into the container at once. I used 1 medium-sized mason jar, but you can use 6 clear plastic tubes that are 75 milliliters in size to have more to give away, and it'll also be narrower and more candy cane-like. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I make new videos every week and you don't want to miss out. I'll see you in the next video. In the meantime, keep being your awesomely weird selves. Bye!